America runs on auto pros, and for 100 years, Napa has been right there with them, keeping their businesses strong and their customers on the road. Here in D'Iberville, Mississippi, Taylor's Automotive carries that tradition forward through the dedication of their technicians, a commitment to honest service, and a trusted partnership with Napa.
We started Taylor Automotive in 2005 here in D'Iberville, Mississippi.
Jimmy Taylor and wife Toby Taylor-Waits partnered with Napa shortly after opening their doors, and it didn't take them any time to outgrow their original shop.
We became a Napa Auto Care Center in 2006. We started with one tech, one service writer, and Jimmy. We worked there for several years. Our business grew, our customers grew. We hired more technicians and we needed space.
In 2015, their business had grown so significantly that the small building they were renting was no longer big enough to handle their success. So they began construction on a new facility a few blocks away from their existing building.
So at that time, we decided to build a new building.
But tragically, as construction on the new building began, Jimmy was diagnosed with cancer. He passed away that year, leaving Toby with the responsibility of running this growing business. Toby and the team were devastated by the loss of Jimmy, but the group pulled together to keep he and Toby's dream alive. And in 2022, that dream blossomed into greatness.
We won the award of 2022 of Napa Auto Care Center of the Year. We were so proud of it.
And Toby attributes the success of Taylor's Automotive to the team she's built over the years.
I couldn't have done it without the team that we have here. We have so much knowledge, so much experience, the guys that are here with me.
Over the years, that team has grown into a family.
The guys here are special. Like, we cook together, we shop together, we go to the ball games together, we do the golf carts, took them on the golf carts together. So this is my family here. It's my work family. I could not do it without them, and that's very, very important.
Toby knows that ongoing training and keeping up with rapidly advancing automotive technology is key to maintaining the level of professionalism and skill she and her team have cultivated over the years.
We constantly send the technicians to the Napa schools. They have a school once a month. It's very important to me that they go to the school to learn the new things, to keep up.
Well, we send them to school. They have to go, some of them's been to GM schools, some's been to Ford schools, and we go to do the Napa classes and everything. We do them every month.
With the ongoing service tech shortage, Toby is grateful for the team she's built and for their dedication to the job, the customers, and to Taylor's Automotive.
So recruiting and keeping your technicians is the hardest part of the automotive industry. There is not enough technicians there. I'm so lucky to have the ones that I do. Everyone here is ASE certified. They've all been here for at least 5 years. Some of them have been with us from the very, very beginning. I'm very lucky because the guys here in the shop respect me. I don't know what they know. I don't claim to know what they know. They have to trust me to get the customers here, to get the parts here, to get the insurance paid, the bills paid, and I trust them to get the cars in, get them fixed right the first time, and get them out.
And the partnership Taylor's built with Napa over the years has led to their ongoing success and longevity. And the Napa guarantee is something Toby swears by.
The Napa family is awesome. Napa covers parts, they cover labor for 3 years or 36,000 miles. You can't beat it. It's a good feeling for us and it's a good feeling for our customers when they leave. I love my Napa store. I like the drivers, I like the salespeople, and the managers. I'm also a member of the Napa the Business Development Group. That's a great bunch of men also that you get to talk with. We talk employees, we talk insurance, we talk parts delivery. We just do it all. And when you have someone that is in the business with you that understands what you're going through, your everyday thing, it's a nice thing to have, and Napa is a big part of that.
Toby has this advice for someone thinking of opening up their own shop.
Don't give up. I never thought whenever I was in school that I would be doing this. I didn't know that I would be working with 7 men all day long, every day. So I would say that anybody can do anything that they want to and that they set their mind to.
When Toby looks back at all the changes that have happened through the years, she's thankful for everything she has, the success she's built, and the relationships she's made along the way.
But when I come to work, it's not work. It's an adventure every day. Every day it's different. Every day a new customer. Every day a new problem. Every day a new smile. It's great every day. I have an awesome team. I like them all.